Connie Fisher faced the music tonight for the opening night of The Sound of Music at the London Palladium. Let's find out what the audience thought and meet the cast at the after-show party.
The whole thing was absolutely phenomenal. I loved it.
I thought it was absolutely wonderful. I loved every single minute of it.
I'm a Rodgers and Hammerstein fan. They're geniuses.
It is just brilliant.
It was very true to the movie. The children, they're absolutely fantastic.
The children, I think, stole it, of course.
It's just the best. It's just everything. Working with Connie, everyone, Alex, everyone. They're just amazing to work with.
I thought it was absolutely wonderful. Everything about it, the sets, the costume, Connie. Oh, I thought it was absolutely wonderful. Especially the minute I saw Connie.
Connie, for me, was amazing. And that scene when she started singing, you know, I wept.
I enjoyed sitting there and watching a young girl that I've helped put into the limelight shine.
I cannot believe I've got this role through a reality TV programme, and it feels so natural, and it feels like I should have been here all along. I can't believe it. For me, it's Ian Gelder. He just does it for me. If I didn't have him, he's just a breath of fresh air.
Ian Gelder, of course, as Uncle Max, completely brilliant.
It's got such a humour to it.
She's cool as a cucumber. I admire her tremendously, what she's gone through to get to where she is tonight.
I think Connie's performance was superb, the way she did this Jeremy and the comedy, and it was fantastic, and Leslie Garrett was fantastic, the voice.
Leslie Garrett brings the house down every time she opens her mouth.
I think The Mother Abbess has the best song that was ever written in a musical, and I've always wanted to perform it.
It's a great part, Captain Von Trapp. It's a lovely journey for an actor, you know, and there's lots of stuff to work on there. It's a fabulous company.
It's such a fantastic show. Like, everything about it is so strong, and the audience loved it, and everyone should go and see it. It's brilliant. It's massive. It's going to be a massive hit. Perfect musical for everybody. It's an emotional roller coaster, not just for me, but for the whole audience.
It's just terrific. Go and see it.
Get your tickets as quickly as you can.
To book your tickets, follow the links on the website now.